But in the wilds of North Borneo, we catch the slothy land turtle eating a winged prey.
Where did y'all get y'all turtle from?
Turtle dealer.
You recording it?
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh, look, got another one.
That's a wasp. But don't be afraid. Unless you swat at them, they can hurt you. Don't ever swat at a bee or a wasp. Just be calm and walk away if you're worried. If you swat at them, they're liable to sting you. They're liable to sting you anyway. I'm just saying, don't provoke them.
There go one.
Yeah, that's a yellow jacket.
What if we gotta stomp it?
Those are nasty. They'll just sting you just to sting. You have to be afraid.